Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on TikTok. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, as in that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok's on in the screen, where you can see profile icon at top right corner. Just hover over there and now you can see the settings option. Just click on it and you will be redirected to the another section where you can see delete account option, and at right side you can see the delete option. Just tap on it or click over there and now you'll be able to see the another section. Just simply click on continue and finally it will ask you for your password. So once you enter your password, finally confirm your delete account and you'll be able to delete your account successfully. So basically, this is how you can delete your account on TikTok. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.